My name is Mariam. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a student. I came to Apollo Hospitals for my heart surgery in Bangalore, and the surgery was done successfully. Before I was here, I really have a lot of pains in my body because I can't do anything. I don't feel normal the way other people felt. But now that I'm here in Bangalore, I had my surgery. I feel normal and healthy. I can eat food. I can do anything. Before, I can't breathe, but now I can breathe normal, eat anything, do anything, whatever.
My name is Abubakar Bayola. I come from Nigeria together with my 16-year-old daughter Mariam to Apollo Hospital here in Bangalore to undergo a heart surgery. Hitherto our arrival in Bangalore, Nigeria, my daughter was diagnosed to be suffering a severe life-threatening heart disease, which is commonly referred to in medical circle as rheumatic mixed mitral valve disease of the heart. After arrival, the doctors here in Bangalore, after assessing and examining the condition of my daughter, in spite of the fact that she was frail and fragile because of the severity of the pain she was suffering, they scheduled her for the heart surgery immediately after arrival. And glory be to God, the surgery has been done and it has been successful. With the success of the surgery, I think it is appropriate to shower or pour encomiums on the doctors at Apollo Hospital and indeed to Apollo Hospital itself. They have exhibited high sense of expertise, style, precision in the surgery. And in fact, no amount of words can surmount what they have done or what they really are. If one is to refer to them because of the precision of their work and the swiftness, if one is to refer to them as magicians, well, it could pass, but that does not actually depict who they really are. Because after seeing them work in close contact with my daughter, I know in their professional meme, it is intertwined with love and compassion. We are very much satisfied with the treatment here at Apollo Hospital. The doctors have taken turn one after the other to come and examine my daughter daily. In fact, an average of 3 to 4 doctors examine my daughter daily. I can vouch for them anywhere in that respect. International marketing branch of Apollo Hospital, Bangalore, is a very vital department to the services of Apollo Hospital, Bangalore. In fact, we were able to cross many hurdles. I noticed that the international patient service take concern with the day-to-day activities of the staff with the patients, international patients, with the doctors, with the welfare. They seem to take control, they seem to take the problems of the patient upon themselves. So I really appreciate the conduct of the International Patients Department here of the Bangalore Apollo Hospital. Finally, what I will say from my observation of the doctors, staff here at Apollo Hospital, in way they touch the lives of people, taking the inference of the surgery of my daughter, I think it will not be out of place for me to say if that were the indices of assessment, then certainly Apollo Hospitals Bangalore, in the hierarchy of world class, it is the best. And I wish her more glory and further urge her to keep the flag going in order to touch the lives of many people around the world. Thank you.